is a Next Weather Alert from CBS News Miami.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Shane Hinton, and we tracked a busy start to your work week with many scattered showers and storms across South Florida. We are still going to hold on to a Next Weather Alert as we head into the early evening hours because we could still see a few strong storms that could contain heavy rain, which could lead to some minor flooding. They could also contain hail and also some damaging wind. While we can't rule out an isolated tornado, that risk is very much on the low end. I just want to show you that it is certainly possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Next Weather rain tracker together. I think a lot of the activity is really tapering off, but this particular forecast model shows the potential for a few isolated to lightly scattered storms developing in Broward and then maybe even northern Miami-Dade County as we head toward the early evening hours. This is 8 o'clock. Now a look at 9 o'clock shows it pushing a little bit further west toward the Everglades, which is good news for our severe weather threat. As we head into the late night hours, I do see most of the activity pushing down toward our south and west. We flash forward to early tomorrow morning around 8 to 9 o'clock. We could see a few isolated showers developing and moving in from the southeast. While most of us will still stay dry, I still want you to be prepared. Make sure you and the kiddos are packed with an umbrella for your morning commute, or if they're getting ready for the bus stop. As we head into the afternoon, we'll hold on to a 20% chance for some isolated showers, but that should predominantly be out toward the west. So a majority of us will stay dry tomorrow. In fact, I think most of us will stay dry for the rest of the work week, but there are changes just around the corner as we head into your holiday weekend. Here's a look at your dining out forecast throughout the evening hours. 20% chance for some isolated stray storms. Temperatures in the lower 80s dropping down to the upper 70s. I do still think it's going to be fairly mild, maybe even a bit sticky for some tomorrow morning, especially for my areas in Broward County that received quite a bit of rainfall. I'm thinking central Broward County. Temperatures tomorrow in the mid 70s. The exception are the good folks in the Keys. You will be waking up in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, you'll notice our forecast has us climbing to the mid to upper 80s for the peak heating of the afternoon. It will very much feel closer to summertime here in South Florida. I started to feel that vibe earlier this morning if you felt how humid it is getting. Those isolated showers and storms will be possible. Here's a look county by county. In Broward County, 84 for Fort Lauderdale, but 85 near Deerfield Beach, 87 in Sunrise, and in Davie, maybe even 88 in Weston. That would certainly get things cooking quite a bit. Miami-Dade County, 87 in Kendall, also in Miami and Hialeah, and in the Keys, I see mid 80s as well, 84 in Key West and 86 in Big Pine. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast, a mostly dry and warm trend takes over for the rest of the work week, but grab those umbrellas and have indoor backup plans for Mother's Day as our rain chances are on the rise as we head throughout the weekend.